LinkedIn. So let's see how Pigeon Chrome extension can actually help sales, marketing, and consultants to book a call with customers or prospects within no time. You just have to install Pigeon Chrome extension, and anytime if you are speaking with your prospects in LinkedIn chat, you just have to find the words which you have already typed or spoke with, like call, send, invite, or Zoom, and you can book a call directly from there. In case the customer or the prospect has already dropped the email address, that is well and good because Pigeon can automatically pick the email address to guest list in the event booking form. If not, you can click on call. You can see Pigeon invite here. Click on that. It will ask you to sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. So I'm signing in with my Google account here. Let's wait. I'm here. So I selected my account to continue with Pigeon and allowed the permissions. Perfect. Then it is asking me to select a platform. So you can select Gmeet or you can select Zoom. So let's take a look how we can integrate Zoom here. We will have to give access to Pigeon to access our Zoom accounts so that every time there is a meeting has to be created, it will be done. So I am authorizing my access to Zoom account. Perfect. Now it is connected. Let me put it a name here like first meeting. Then I can also add more guests like see. Okay, so I clicked on the plus button, add button. So I have two email addresses in my guest list. Now I have to select a date. I'm selecting 17th, and then I can select a time, like I need to speak at 5 p.m. and then I can select this. Okay, AM or PM, whatever I want to do, I can do that. Even I can remove some guest if I want to. Like if I remove this, I can, okay, for sure. Now I'm sending the invite. Wow. So event has been created successfully. Okay. Now again, if I want to create a new meeting, I don't have to do that much of integrations. I simply have to click on Pigeon Invite. I just have to select Zoom, and then I have to post. I have to input my second name, second event, second meeting. I have to add a guest name. Okay, and then I can select a date. Perfect. Let me add one more here. Remove this because this is my account, so I can select a date and time. Let's make it 3 p.m. Okay, send invite, and I will show you that both the meetings are available in the settings, or the guest has been informed about both the meetings. Okay, see, Ranvijay, this was the first meeting we created. Okay, yes, see. We have all the details, the invitation link, the Zoom link, and the passcode. Then we go back to the second. Perfect. So we have all the guests, and yes, we can check that. Along with that, you can also go to Join Pigeon and check your account here. Guys, link to the Pigeon Chrome extension is given in the first comment. Please install and use it. Here are your meetings.